Good morning everyone. I'm the reporter number 2. Our report is Lisa is a factory worker in Cavite with a monthly salary of 18,500 pesos. She completed 21 working days this month and worked 6 night shift, 8 hours each, paid at 1.10%. Her company also gives 1,200 pesos monthly non-taxable and rice allowance is 1,200. Best in given ko is the monthly salary is 18,500 pesos. Working days in month is 21 days. Night shift, 6 night shift. Rice allowance is 1,200. Basic question po is compute her daily and hourly rate. Daily rate po, kung paano po siya i-compute yung daily rate mo is, kukunin mo lang po yung monthly salary niya po, tapos i-divide mo po siya sa 21, bali yung po yung working days niya po. Bali po, 18,500 pesos divided by 21 equals of 880.95 pesos. Hourly rate po, i-base mo po siya dun sa pagkakuha mo sa daily rate po, bali 880.95 divided by 8 equals of 110.12. Round off na po yan. Proceed po tayo sa question 2. Computer SSS, PhilHealth and Pag-ibig contribution. Bali po sa SSS po is 5% po sa employee and sa employer po ay bali po sa mga boss base 10%. SSS 18,500 times of 0.05 equals of 921 pesos. PhilHealth po is 18,500 times 0.025 equals of 462.5. Pag-ibig po is 18,500 times 0.02. Bali po 370 yung resulta dyan. But is max is 200. Compute her night shift differential pay. Night shift, bali sinorkat ko na po to. Shortcut na yun, wala na 48. 110 pesos, 0.12 times of 1.10 times 6 times 8 equals to 5,814.34. Round up ko na po yan. Proceed na po sa question 4. Compute here gross pay and taxable income. Gross pay is binase ko lang po siya dun sa example mo po sa PPT. Ito po, pinag-plus ko lang po. Ang resulta po is 25,540. Taxable income, minus ko lang po yung rice allowance, pag SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig po, bali po ang lumabas po is 22,726.5. Proceed na po tayo sa question 5. Compute their total deduction and net pay, no withholding tax due to low income. Net pay is 25,000. Makikita nyo naman po sa gross pay kung paano po siya pinagpa-plus. Bale, yun na po yung 25,514. Minus. Akala ko minus 1,587.5. Paano po siya nakuha is, pinagpa-plus ko lang po ng SSS, PhilHealth, yung Pag-ibig. Bale, lumabas po is 587.5. Bale, pinanis ko na po siya. Lumabas na po yung 23,927 pesos. Yun lamang po. Thank you po.